Hi, welcome to RecipeCheckr. I'm Sunder. It's great to be back and see you all. Today I have in the menu is coconut rice or tenga sadam. Coconut rice is a very common dish in South India, especially the southern states of India, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. I'm going to show you how to make the coconut rice into a restaurant style coconut rice. We're going to add some additional and extra ingredients which will get you the best of the flavors from the rice. Please come with me. I'll show you what are the ingredients I have it for you today. The cooking time of coconut rice is about 20 minutes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pan and heat some coconut oil and tampering these ingredients one after the other and finally adding the rice. One particular point you need to keep in mind: when you boil the rice shouldn't be sticky. It should be on a loose consistency that will give a right outcome of a perfect restaurant style coconut rice. Let's go and cook the rice. I'm going to take about 4 spoons of coconut oil and I wait for the oil to get hot, and once it's ready, I'm going to start with mustard seeds and I'm going to add the ingredients one after the other. And at this stage, I'm going to add the cashew nuts and make sure the cashew nuts should be just below golden brown color. And now I'm going to add all the wet ingredients. First, the chopped green chili, ginger, and curry leaf. Now I'm going to add the grated coconut. You have to do all this cooking into a simmer flame, and at this stage I'm going to add about 2 pinches of asafoetida, and now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add boiled rice, so I'm going to take it in hand and spread it across. And you can see the rice is loose and it's not sticky. That's very important. And before, I'm going to give a complete full mix. I can switch off the stove and I'm going to sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. The colors of your tampering ingredients like your urud dal and cashew nuts and your Bengal gram dal all in golden brown color. Still, I retain the green color of the curry leaves and the chilies are still red, and this is the ideal presentation you need to make if you want to make a perfect coconut rice. And this is ready now. We can check for salt. If you need more, just sprinkle a little bit, and then this is ready to be served. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I wish that you try this recipe at home, and I look forward to hear from you in the comment section about your experience of making tenga sadam. Please follow us on Instagram and YouTube, and look forward to see you soon with another beautiful recipe. Thank you for watching.